I'm Jeanne Katsuro from the Classic Rock Custom and Designer Jewelry Store, and we're going to extend the ring class that we just gave. Again, we're going to be using the 2mm ring sizers, and notice that we're going to put a size 5 on. The size 5 goes on easily, and it comes off relatively easy. But next, we're going to try the size 5.5, and we see that it goes on easy, and oh, it comes off way too easy. There is such a thing as a quarter size ring sizer. If you put this one on and you take it off, oh, that is the perfect size at 5.25. So remember to always ask if you can use a quarter sizer as well. This is Jeanne Katsuro from the Classic Rock Custom and Designer Jewelry Store, 570 North 6th Street in San Jose, Japantown.